Black hole explosion. Black holes do not typically explode in the way we think of conventional explosions, like a bomb or a star-going supernova. Instead, they can emit powerful bursts of energy in various forms, such as X-rays and gamma rays, through processes like Hawking radiation. This radiation can cause a black hole to lose mass over extremely long periods of time, ultimately leading to its evaporation. However, this process is incredibly slow, especially for stellar mass black holes, and would take longer than the current age of the universe for most black holes to noticeably change in size. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, black holes do not undergo explosive events in the way that stars can go supernova or other explosive phenomena occur. However, there are a few theoretical scenarios in which a black hole could experience something that might be described as an explosion, or a violent release of energy. Hawking radiation. Black holes are thought to slowly lose mass over time through a process called Hawking radiation. This radiation is generated near the event horizon, and over an extremely long period, it can lead to the black hole losing mass until it effectively evaporates. This process would release energy but is incredibly slow, especially for large black holes. It would take an extremely long time for a black hole to noticeably change due to Hawking radiation. Tidal disruption events. When a star or other celestial object gets too close to a black hole, it can be torn apart by tidal forces. This process can release a significant amount of energy in the form of X-rays and other radiation. While this isn't an explosion of the black hole itself, it's an energetic event associated with the interaction between the black hole and another object. Hypothetical scenarios. In certain theoretical physics scenarios, such as those involving exotic matter or quantum effects near the singularity, there have been speculations about possible violent events within a black hole. However, these scenarios are highly speculative and not well established within current scientific understanding. It's important to note that these processes are not explosive events in the way we typically think of explosions. Black holes are incredibly stable structures, and any significant changes to them would occur over immense timeframes or under extreme conditions. If there have been new developments or discoveries related to black holes and explosions beyond my last update in September 2021, I would recommend checking the latest scientific literature for the most up-to-date information.